Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the usage of preposition by. By plus place. It means beside. Example, the house is by the river. By plus place. The meaning of this sentence is the house is beside the river. Rani lives by a railway station. Rani lives beside a railway station. I would love to live in a house by the woods. Woods means forest. I would love to live in a house beside the woods. So, by plus place means beside. By plus method of transport. This structure describes how you travel somewhere. By car, by train, by boat, by taxi, by plane, by bus. Example sentence, I went to Chennai by train. He goes to work by car. My brother often goes to Sri Lanka by boat. I travel by train. Here, he goes to work by car. It means he travels by car. Here, he travels. My brother travels by a boat. Next, by plus method of communication. This structure describes how you communicate with others, how you talk with others. By plus fax, by plus email, by plus post, by plus mobile phone. Example sentence, he spoke to me by mobile phone. I will send you the invitation by post. Please confirm the order by email. Communication happens mobile phone, post and email. By plus method of payment. This structure describes how you pay for something. By credit card, by check. Here you pay for something by using the credit card or by using the check. Example sentence, we paid for the phone by check. Can I pay by credit card? Note that we do not use by for cash payments. We use the preposition in when you pay cash directly. Example, my father paid in cash for the dresses. When you pay the cash, you should not use the preposition by. You have to use the preposition in. It is possible to omit the preposition completely, particularly in spoken English. My father paid cash for the dresses. Here we have omitted the preposition in. By plus reflective pronoun. By myself, by yourself, by himself, herself, itself. By ourselves, by yourselves, by themselves. This structure means to do something alone. Example sentence, Sandy is studying by herself. It means she is studying alone. Let us do something by ourselves. Alone. By plus time expression. It means not later than the particular time. Before or at a particular time. We use this structure for deadlines. A deadline is a time before which something must be done. Example sentence, guests must vacate the house by 10 a.m. Guests must vacate the house at 10 a.m. Please send the payment by tomorrow. Here the deadline is tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.